Hey, welcome to the channel. This is my fourth video this week. I can't remember third or fourth video this week. So we're getting things going. But I appreciate everyone who's listening. I'm up to 22 subscribers, which is amazing because I was at 0 a couple of days ago, so I'm thankful. But today I wanted to introduce you to my track car. So it's a 2017 Mazda Miata RF edition. Runs a 2.0 liter engine, 155 horsepower, 148 foot-pounds of torque. It is not the 6-speed manual, and it says it goes 6.3 seconds per quarter mile. I don't believe that. 0 to 60 time. This is my car that I put a Pandem wide body kit on. It did have 19-inch work wheels on there. I took them off, and for the biggest reason is because I tracked my car. The work wheels are very heavy, and I didn't want to run those on the track, especially because the size. The size was too big. That's what she said, right? But the size was too big for that car. And I needed to have something a little lighter that can also be a little wider. In these pictures, you'll see that what the car looked like before and after I got the body kit put on. The body kit was put on by Dreworkz, and this guy, he does pretty much all wide body kits here in the San Antonio area, man. He does a really bang up job. I enjoy taking my car to this guy, and I plan on taking other cars to this guy. Back on the car, it's an amazing track car. It is not the fastest and it's not the strongest, but the biggest thing that I get out of having this car is that it is low to the ground, it's small, and it can swing. And that's the biggest thing. So my track times, right now I can complete a lap in about 1 minute and 45 seconds. I want to try to get down to 1 minute and 20. I don't think it'll go no time soon because this car is just not capable of driving that fast. I do take it to car shows. I often get questions like, "Oh, you're gonna turbo it because I track it." And I tell people all the time, just because I track it doesn't mean I'm gonna turbo it. So no, I'm not gonna turbo it. I'm never gonna turbo it. I like the car the way it is. I don't like turbos per se, so that's the biggest thing. Putting that in there. And then in this video, this is me. Pretty much, this is my first track day, and I had an instructor by the name of Steve in the car, and he did very well. So here's a clip that you'll see here of me tracking. Now, I don't believe this was my Mazda Miata. I also had a Mark 5 Super, but this is just me going around the track. I do have videos of my Mazda Miata going around the track, but I just wanted to post this to show what it looks like over here in the New Brunswick area. I did pretty good that day. It was my first time, so the first lap was slow and didn't go around, and a couple times and then you can see that we sped up every time we went around the track. But my Miata is my main track car. I love it. I'm not gonna ever get rid of it, and if I do it for something else, I do have an Audi R8 that I plan tracking it at Coda this year. But my mechanic wants me to take that car to the air strip attack, so I made it an air strip attack. We'll see. Other than that, I don't really have too much. The car, like I said, is very low to the ground. I like it. It has a Pandem body kit on it. The wheels are 17s all the way around. And I enjoy the car. I really do. And if anyone ever had questions, I always tell them, get a Miata, man, and don't do anything. Just learn how to drive it. And once you learn how to drive, you can do anything. So that's all I'm gonna say about this part. What I'm gonna do is now leave this on so that you can finish watching the track session. Like I said, please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm trying to bang out 3 to 4 videos a week and add to what I'm doing. Again, I'm not perfect. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know that I got all the cars and I need to be better by showing videos of it and what I do with them. I am working on my 1965 Mustang right now. I got an engine refresh on it, so I'll have that car as well. I don't know what I'm doing with that car. I don't know if I'm gonna autocross it or what the hell I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna do something. So we'll see. All right, enjoy the video. Thanks.
Now give me throttle. Yeah, perfect throttle. You can get green. Power over the crest. Light brake bottom of the hill. You're looking left. Get the brakes, get the car turn. Now throttle. Outstanding brake. Great line. Keep that throttle. Keep that throttle. Focus out there to the right side. Awesome. Take us all the way over to the left. All the way left. Look for the front of us. Hard brake. Start to ease off your brake. Get the car turn. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Turn a little harder. You're gonna make it work. Give me throttle. Start to unwind the wheel. Unwind, unwind, unwind. There you go. Now put the car just right in center. Cross that corner, find out if that's straight in now. Start adding smooth throttle, Walter. Keep coming. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Start to unwind these things out there. Awesome job. Start to unwind. Keep that throttle as you unwind the wheel. Keep that throttle. It's going to go middle of the road now. Now come to the left side grab. Now you got a much straighter shot. All the way out to the hole to the right. All the way right. Get a little bit of brake. Get that apex pretty steep now. Give me a little bit of throttle right here. Let's get back to the left. Now brake again, Walter. Look to your right side. Apex, get the car turned in. Ease off your brake. Go to throttle right now. You're on it, dude. Right now. Turn it more. Give me throttle. Yes. Start to unwind slowly. More. You left all that road, man. Drive us out here. Middle of the road. To the left. Turn it. Great line, dude. Walker. Outstanding. Keep that throttle. Stop to the right. Right now, now throttle. Awesome job. Start to unwind slowly. Unwind more. Middle of the road. Now come to the left side here. Perfect. Absolutely. Arrow in the wrong there. Goes all the way out to the right side here. A little bit of brake. Left brake. Off the brake. Give me smooth throttle. Look the car back left. Give me some brake, Walter. Looking to the right, take the brake. Ease off your brake. Turn the car. Down to the throttle right now. Excellent job. Way to get your head turned. Be smooth, smooth. Unwind that wheel. Take us out to that cone. Keep that throttle. Keep it going. Smooth. Work your car left. Don't lift. Run it nice and smooth. Keep that in some smooth throttle. Put your strength to that cone. Hard brake. More. Now as you're easing off, get the car turned right now and give me smooth throttle. Keep turning. Now start to unwind as you keep that throttle. Use all that rope. Don't do it. Yeah, you don't just do that. Just it's a slow one. Yeah. Looking left, find that apex 27. That's good. Alright, Walter, slow her down. Give your fist out the window. fast. That'll take us to the pit road. Yeah, man. You were flowing, dude. It was really nice.
Yeah, I tried to get a little faster.
Yeah. You got a little greedy with the throttle.
Yeah,
But up to that point, man, that was like, that's what we're going for, man. The car was working with you. You were in sync. Your timing, you were patient, and the car was getting there, dude. You were carrying really good speed. Nice job, man.
You're doing a little mini car meet.
I'm gonna have a talk with him later. Like, dude, don't park your car right there. The one artery in and out, and you're gonna park. Sometimes those Porsche guys feel entitled.
Oh yeah.
Good morning's work, Walter.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Nice, man. It's fun, right?
Yes, man.
And you were
A lot of fun.
You were starting to get the groove there, man. It was really nice.
A lot of fun. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed the heck out of that.
Yeah, well, I always tell people, if you're at a racetrack and you're not having fun, either we're doing something wrong or you wrecked your car.
Yeah.
Right? And you didn't do anything wrong and you didn't wreck your car. So
we even started creeping up on somebody.
Yeah, dude.
And then I messed up.